Hey guys, welcome back to Macy and Katie's Corner. Today I am going to show you some of the slime supplies I found in this bag. So let's get started. The first thing I found was some clear crazy art glue. And then I found some of the silver sequins. And I found some, where is it? Here it is. Blue glitter glue. So that'd be fun. And then next I found some foam beads. White foam beads. Next I found some red fishbowl beads. And I found some Orbeez. Then I found some of this pretty glitter. And if you've seen my cousin Lexi in some of my videos, like Who Knows Me Better, she's obsessed with glitter. And then we got some of these sparkly things that you can make your slime sparkly. And then we got some of these gold sequins. Found some of this jumbo glitter. Next we got 2 bottles of shaving cream. Next we found some gold leaf and an iridescent leaf. Next thing we found was some of this pretty, I love this, blue flakes. And some of these, like, party kind of like cupcake thing, foam pieces. And I don't know why I found this, a spatula. I love these pretty, like, mermaid stars. I found some of this cotton candy scent. No, bubblegum, not bad, bubblegum. Smells so good. Next, I found some stars. And I'm not trying to brag of what I'm showing you all this stuff. I just wanted to show y'all because it's just, I don't know, I've found it and seen it. And subscribe so you can join the hashtag Macy and Katie squad. And comment down below what your favorite slime supplies is in this bag. Ugh. Now we found some of this yellow leaf. Some of this iridescent pretty glitter. And some of this purple seashells to make your slime. Yeah. Good. Yes. Some of these pretty seashells. Some of this glitter. Some more glitter. There's a lot of glitter. And then some green glitter. And then some green and blue and yellow leaves. Next, some tiny clear fishbowl beads. So nice when you play with them in the bag. Here, I'll show you. Next, I have some of these pretty butterfly foam pieces. Foam pieces. Not foam. That's not a word. Some green leaf. Some of this dark blue glitter. some of this gold seashells. And then some of these pretty, I don't know what they're called, like glittery things. I don't know. Pretty though. Some gold and silver leaf. Next I found some silver glitter. Some of these like happy flowers, FOMO pieces. Next I found some red and pink glitter. I love this pink glitter so much. Found some of this chocolate and peaches and cream, and some oatmeal cookie dough, and some of the blue cotton candy, and some orange dreamsicle, that's all the scents, and then you did see the bubblegum one before, all the scents. Next, here's some of this pretty leaf, purple leaf. And then I have some of this pretty glitter. More teal glitter. More glitter. More glitter. And these pretty, really pretty beads. Pink and silver. Like pink, black glitter. Unicorn glitter. That's magenta. That's what those other ones were too. That I can't name off. Peachy hearts, and then some green glitter. More green little glitters, and it has some hearts in it. And then some stars that are silver. Some of this hot pink glitter leaf. Some apple FOMO pieces. Here is one of them out of the bag. No, you can't really see it that good, but oh, it dropped. Well, that's okay. Anyways, next we got some more green glitter. Next we got some silver unicorns. Next we got some pink, lighter pink unicorns. We got some orange glitter. And then we got some of these little tubes of glitter, more of those little tubes. Some of this dark purple glitter. Some silver glitter. This pretty pink leaf. And this like gold and silver glitter kind of stuff. blue glitter, pink glitter, some purple glitter, some blue glitter, blues. And that is it, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Comment down below what was your favorite piece of Slime Supplies I had in this video. And put down shout out me so I can give you a shout out in my next video. I know this video was supposed to be my reviewing my backpack, but surely we're gonna put up the I'll show you my backpack video. So love you all so much. Bye bye.